Since summer is coming to an end, I'll be talking about my top 5 trains that I've seen this summer. With that said, let's get right into it. Number 5. Massachusetts Central GP20 in Barre Plains. As this is my least favorite catch, but interesting to see, was Massachusetts Central GP20 number 960. It was used for many different railroads, including the Milwaukee Railroad, the Sioux Line Railroad, the York Railroad in 1990, and then to the Massachusetts Central Railroad in 1993. Unfortunately, I didn't get video, so I managed to get some photos. This was a pretty cool locomotive to see in person. Number 4. New England Central Railroad GP38-2 on 608. On June 10th, 2024, I took a trip to the town of Palmer for the first time to see some trains for the day. One of the interesting trains there was the operations of New England Central train number 608, the Palmer Switcher. Here they are heading back into the yard with GP38-2 number 2168 leading. Number 3. ALC 42 number 342 on Amtrak 449. On July 21st, 2024, I decided to see some trains in Southborough for the afternoon. Little did I know that for today's Amtrak train would have 4 engines. It would also have the Midnight Blue unit and ALC 42 number 342 trailing. This was my first time seeing an ALC 42, so it was quite the treat to see one. Number 2. Norfolk Southern 8025 on 11R. On June 16th, 2024, I got word that Norfolk Southern Monongahela Heritage Unit number 8025 would be heading to air on 16R. This was my first time seeing a Norfolk Southern Heritage Unit, so this was a special catch. Here it is building its train into Sandville. Number 1. Ferromex 4051 on 46A. On May 25th, 2024, I got word on Facebook that a grain train would be coming to air with 2 BNSF units, including a Ferromex ST70 Ace number 4051, a Mexico-based locomotive. This was definitely my greatest catch of all time, as this locomotive is never seen in this area, as well as seeing 2 BNSF locomotives, which makes this train extra special. Here it is passing through CPF 335 in Westminster.